Lately, all I see online are people talking about new niches in 2025, faceless channel ideas, and USA automation channel niches. But let's be honest, most of them leave you more confused than when you started. They'll tell you what you can do, but not what you should do to actually make money. So I decided to take matters into my own hands. Over the last 3 years, I've experimented with every niche they suggested. I'm not here to tell you vague possibilities. I'm here to tell you exactly what works and what doesn't. Now, I won't bore you with the details of my experiments. That's a story for another video. Instead, in this one, I've broken things down into 4 simple categories so you can figure out which one fits you best.
Wait, didn't you just say you're not like the other gurus? And now you're categorizing things like them?
No man, this is different. Trust me. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about what a new niche actually is. A new niche doesn't mean you have to do something that's never been done before. No, that's impossible anyway. A new niche means taking 2 existing niches, combining them, and creating something fresh. How does that work? I'll explain. Look at these informative videos.
Welcome to another one of my videos with random geography and culture facts. There is no real reason that any of these about 500 feet. Any witch caught flying their broomsticks above this limit faces arrest and a
There are many different subtopics within geography, ranging from human to physical to facts about cities, countries, and people from around the world. And as we're giving you 100, that's 1 per 81 million people, which is
They're a bit slow, right? They still get millions of views, so here's the trick. Don't copy, but steal the idea and make it your own. Create similar videos, but add some animations with the help of AI, like animated characters or visuals, and sprinkle in some humor. And don't forget to add subtitles, edit the video at a master level, and then upload it. Here's another tip. I noticed that there aren't many videos in English about these topics. They're mostly in Hindi. So you can steal their ideas and use ChatGPT to create a video on the same topic, but in English. Here's how you can do it. Open any video, click on More, then scroll down and click on Show Transcript. You will see the transcript. Toggle the timestamps off, copy the entire script, and paste it into ChatGPT. It will translate it into English perfectly. You can then edit anything you want and create a video based on it. I also have a bonus niche for you guys, so watch until the end. Let's head to categories now. Here are 4 categories. Number 1. Those who can be patient and want independence. Number 2, those who just want to use their spare time creatively. Number 3, those who need to earn money immediately. Number 4, those chasing fame over money. Personally, I don't like this one, but I'll still talk about it for you guys. Wait, don't choose your category yet. Watch the full video first, then decide. Category 1, patience and independence. If you're in this category, you don't have a financial gun to your head. You can take your time, experiment, and build something meaningful. I have further broken it down to 2 types. Type 1, Fiverrians, people who work on Fiverr. We'll call them Fiverrians for this video. Wait, don't leave just because of Fiverr name. Listen first. For those planning to start on Fiverr, you'll need a skill. Don't waste time learning graphic design, content writing, or anything else that's crazy competitive. Trust me, I've been there. Instead, focus on these 3 skills. Video creation, learn to make short or long videos for YouTube, like quiz videos or informational content. It's simple, effective, and in demand. I've tried this, and yes, it pays. Video editing, this is next level stuff. I haven't personally tried it yet, but it's highly sought after. Learn pro editing. YouTube has plenty of free tutorials. PowerPoint presentations, believe it or not, if you learn to create amazing presentations like this, and this, trust me, you'll get orders. I've tried it and got some orders through Facebook. There is type 2, YouTubers. If you're dreaming of YouTube, you also need skills. Start an educational channel, but not the boring kind. Teach something cool like technology or how-tos. It will also attract US-based audience. Obviously, you'll need to learn first before you teach. Don't worry, YouTube is a free university. I'll link some channels in the description for you. Category 2, spare time creators. If you're here to pass the time, don't waste it. Learn long-term skills, things that take months or years to master. Here are my top 2 recommendations. Number 1, coding. It's not quick, but once you learn it, you'll be rolling in cash. Number 2, business basics. Learn how businesses work, save up some money, and start your own. Whether it's clothing, food, jewelry, or shoes, the internet is full of free resources to get started. Don't worry, I'll attach links of some channels in the description. Category 3, immediate money makers. This one's for people who need money instantly, and by instantly, I don't mean in one night. Obviously, this is not possible. It means in 3 to 6 months, you'll start earning. I've been in your shoes, so here's the truth. Start a YouTube channel, and the niche, the one you're watching right now, yes, how to make money.
But everyone's already doing that. Who's going to watch?
Yeah, I thought the same thing for a year and I was wrong. There's a massive audience for these videos. If you've tried things and failed, share your experiences. People want real stories, not fairy tales. No guru will tell you this because they're afraid you'll steal their spot, but I'm not. It's okay if you don't have anything to share. Just research topics and start making videos. And by researching, I mean you have to research your butt off. Once, Bill Gates said, if I have 30 days for a project, I'll spend 25 days researching it. So work like that. I've seen some videos where people say you don't need to be a pro editor to make those kinds of videos. Nah, bro, you do need to be a pro editor, but trust me, it's not that difficult. Learn editing and start making videos. After making 2 or 3 videos, you'll become a pro. So I have an example for you. This guy. Yeah, I know you already know about him. If you watch his videos, he's talking about the same things that others are, but he got monetized with just 5 videos. How? Because of the editing and amazing thumbnails. And his style of telling is a type of storytelling. Quality content is necessary, but editing and a good thumbnail are even more important. So if you have a week, spend 2 days on research if you don't know anything beforehand, 1 day for script writing. Tell your audience like you're telling your friend a story or an incident that happened to you, but make sure you don't lie about anything. After all, people trust us, generating voices and spend the remaining time on editing and making thumbnails. After all that, you'll still have 1 or 2 free days, so rest on those days. Category 4, fame over money. I'm not a fan of this one, but if you're chasing fame, here's what you can do. Number 1. Start a travel channel. Number 2, show off your cooking skills. Number 3, go big, like Mr. Beast. Just don't start a simple vlogging channel. And people might watch at first, but eventually they'll lose interest and you'll end up doing crazy stunts just to get views. Trust me, it's not worth it. For video editing, I'm planning to start offering services on Fiverr next month. I'll share the results with you guys in the next 2 to 3 months, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. You can even start this journey with me and later share your results in the comments. And for YouTube, you don't need to be consistent. Yeah, everyone keeps saying you do, but the truth is, YouTube prefers quality over quantity. It's totally fine if you upload 1 video a week, a month, or even every 6 months. Take animators, for example. They don't upload every day. They post once a month or every 2 months, yet they still get millions of views and subscribers because they focus on quality content. And here's the bonus, a niche for YouTube that never fails if done well. That is animation. I know not everyone is an artist or animator, which is why I'm going to try starting an animation channel using AI, and you know what to do to get notified.